Finding profitable opportunities in the DeFi space can be extremely challenging, with hundreds of projects piling on top of each other and most of them being useless. How can we pick the ones that are worth our time? Well, lucky for you, this is the sole reason why my channel exists. And today I am bringing you another exciting project on the table that is called Equation. It's the future of perpetual exchanges. Sounds interesting? Well then, let's dive straight into the video. So the next generation of decentralized perpetual exchanges, up to 200 leverage, no sign up or deposit bonus required. So as we understand right away from the header, this is a perpetual exchange of the next generation. It offers insane 200x leverage and has no sign-up bonus or deposit required to use it. Here you can see their white paper, which we'll check out, as well as GitHub, as well as an audit by EPDKB. Here you can see that they have reached a total trading volume of 46 million, total liquidity standing at 412 million, and risk buffer fund standing at 2.4 million. It has lower liquidation risk and higher leverage, perpetual protocol, maintenance margin. Here you can see Equation against their competition, such as GMX and AYTX. It offers lowest maintenance margin and maximum leverage is the highest with them. So leverage boosts LP returns. LPs become provide liquidity with leverage of up to 200x and enjoy liquidity mining rewards plus a share of trading fees. Based on their novel BRM model, LPs can significantly improve their capital by providing liquidity with leverage. So this is very interesting. They will also be having a fair launch for their native token EQ of Equation with a maximum supply of 10 million tokens, 100% of which is generated for liquidity mining and referral mining, rewarded to community users. The initial daily emission of EQ is 10,000. This figure can be adjusted via DAO, but cannot exceed 10,000. So it can be part of their ecosystem now. Here you can see their tokenomics and traditional tokenomics model, the complex interface between community users, the founding team, and early investors often leads disagreements and divergent consensus during the operation or governance of the protocol. This greatly hampers the sustainability development of the protocol. Equation adopts an innovative hybrid token model that combines fungible FT and non-fungible tokens. This hybrid model establishes exclusive incentive channels for different roles in the ecosystem, aiming to unify long-term development goals of Equation while safeguarding the interest of liquidity providers and community users. So this is actually a very interesting concept to think about. They will not be using tokenomics, splitting share of the token between everything. Instead, they will be adopting a hybrid tokenomic model that will include fungible tokens as well as non-fungible tokens that we know as of NFTs. So this will definitely be cool to check out and see how this works in the space. Here you can see their community channels such as Twitter, Discord, Medium, Telegram. I definitely highly advise you guys to join them and follow them on socials if you want to stay up to date with the project, because you'll find all of the latest news about this exactly there. Now let's go on and check out the white paper about their tokenomics model. So here you can see Equation utilizes a hybrid model, which we covered. It resolves conflicts of interest between the community members, founding team, and early investors. Community members contributing to promotion of Equation will receive lucrative and long-lasting income guarantees. So we can actually read about a few points right here, such as the pricing mechanism and the funding rate, but they are all very advanced and will require for you to sit down and take a deep read yourselves. So we'll leave this up to you guys if you want to check this out. I'll have this link down in the description. But what I want to check out is their DAO governance model as well. So their governance proposals will be divided into two categories: routine decisions and major decisions, which you can read about here. Routine decisions only require approval of FSC architect holders to be implemented. However, the major decisions require approval for both EFC holders and BEQU holders in two separate voting rounds to be executed This order doesn't matter, but second round must reference the proposal created by the first round. So this again, we'll be taking a different approach. We'll be implementing 2 different deciders for the proposals they will have, but they will have a DAO governance model regardless, so the whole ecosystem will be decentralized and not owned by a single entity or a group. Now, we can go ahead and jump out their Medium to see what key features the equation mainnet provides. So it provides trading, staking, liquidity mining, referral mining, and their native token EQU. All very exciting, all very lucrative, and all bringing a lot of potential on the table for this project. Lastly, guys, what I want to cover with you is their socials. Here you can see the Twitter with a substantial following of 33,000 followers. So again, you guys must definitely give them a follow if you find them interesting. You definitely won't be wanting to miss out on their daily updates. As you can see, they're posting on here a lot. So just clicking a follow, it won't cost you anything. And if you like this video so far, make sure you give this one a like as well. So guys, with this being said, that's about it for Equation. Again, now I have their white paper, as well as audit, as well as their website, as well as their socials linked down in the description. Everything you need to know about this project you can find down below. If you enjoyed this video so far, if you enjoyed this review, make sure to give this a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything, just one click. But anyways, I'm very excited to hear your thoughts on this project. What do you think about it? What do you think about their different approaches in the tokenomic model? What do you think about their DAO governance system? Let me know all of it. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. Thank you for staying. As always, stay safe and good luck investing in DeFi. I wish to catch you in the next one.